Hi my friend, today we are making a high-protein, silky and flavorful sea bass tofu stew, all in under 30 minutes. Carve the sea bass fillet into large chunks. Slice the scallions, separating the whites and greens. Add the scallion whites to the fish, along with Shaoxing wine, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sea salt and black pepper. Mix well and let it marinate for 5 minutes. While that marinates, prep the rest. Carve the onion into chunks. Slice the tofu. Heat the pan over medium heat, add some oil. Place the tofu in one piece at a time. Gently swirl the pan to distribute heat. Don't rush to flip. Tofu is delicate and needs time to set. Once the bottom is golden, carefully flip using a spatula. When both sides are golden, remove and set aside. In the same pan, add ginger garlic paste and the onion. If you like heat, add some dried chilies here. Sauté until fragrant. Layer the tofu back into the pan. Lightly season with a pinch of salt. Remove the scallion whites from the fish. Then place the fish evenly over the tofu. And add about half a cup of water. Cover and bring to a boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce to medium-low and simmer for 5 minutes. Add the scallion greens, cover again, and cook for another 2 minutes. And it's done. Tender fish, silky tofu, packed with protein and perfect with rice. Thanks for cooking with me. If you enjoy quick, high-protein meals, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.